Okay, so tonight I am cooking up some fried chicken livers. We are big liver eaters in this house. We do chicken livers, we do beef liver, we do pork liver. The nutritional benefits are exceptional and we actually like the taste of it. So I've got my oil right here that I am heating up on the stove. And I have got my chicken livers sitting in buttermilk that I made this morning. I made butter, and so I just got the buttermilk from the butter. And I've had these sitting in the buttermilk for maybe 30, 45 minutes. I would normally let them sit pretty much all day, but that didn't happen. I just got sidetracked. We got busy this morning with doing fence. So I'm going to crack open a few eggs. And then I'm gonna pour some milk in. I'm just gonna beat that up. And I have in this bowl right here, I've got flour and garlic powder. Flour, garlic powder, salt, pepper, just some spices. So I'm gonna dredge it in this milk and egg. And then I'm going to put it into the flour and then it'll be ready to fry. Super easy to make, super nutritious, and taste super good.
You topic yourself again?
Making chicken liver. Hot, it's starting to pop. So I've got my liver dredged and then battered. And then I'm just gonna throw it into the skillet. Neat thing about this meal is that everything I'm using except for the olive oil is homegrown by us. So we've got the buttermilk that I made from making butter this morning from our milk cow. We've got the milk that I poured in with the eggs that came from our hens that we raised. We've got the flour that we milled the other day, but this, we didn't grow the wheat. All right, so they're browning up nice and crispy on that side. I'll give them a few more minutes before I turn them. Get that milk over there. All right, and I'm gonna flip them. Some of my ones on the edges aren't as brown, so I'm just gonna move them around. You also get extra bonus points if you make it as big of a mess as I do when I cook these. Extra bonus points in addition to eating liver in general. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling some of these off. I actually don't remember eating livers much growing up. My mom liked them. That's how I came to like them. And she would cook them sometimes, but it was nothing like what we cook here. And then my sister likes them. My dad cannot stand anything liver. He will get sick just at the idea of it. And Josh loves them. I'm cooking 2 pounds. This is 2 pounds of livers that I'm cooking tonight to give you an idea how much this is. This is 2 pounds. We don't count them. We just go by weight. So I don't know how many are in our packages. So you get an idea. All right, so there we go. That is about 2 pounds of chicken livers, give or take some, because Josh and I have been munching on them while I've been cooking them. We usually eat these with hot sauce. That's our favorite way to eat them. You might dip them in ranch or something like that, but gosh, these are so good plain. If you've never had homegrown chicken livers and cooked them yourself, I'm not kidding when I say they're out of this world. The difference, it's just amazing, amazing, amazing. One of our favorite, easiest meals to cook.